How to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show you how you can fix your live wallpaper not being supported on TikTok. So if you're also having that kind of issue, we are going to show you how you can fix it. So first of all, make sure your device is compatible for TikTok live videos to be added as live wallpapers. So make sure your device is compatible, check your phone's compatibility. And the next thing we can do is go ahead and update your TikTok. For that, head over and open up your TikTok application on your device. I mean your Google Play Store. After that, look for update and see if there is any kind of update available. Head over and look for update if any kind of update is available for the TikTok application. And after that is done, the next thing we can do is head over and clear cache of the app, head over to the info section, or you can directly head over from the settings as well. After that, head over to the storage and clear the cache of that particular application, and also try uninstalling and reinstalling the TikTok. If none of the steps work, head over to the profile section of your phone at your bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on your three horizontal lines and your settings and privacy. After that, go to report a problem. After that, select the appropriate category like app issue or profile issue. And after that, describe your problem, and you should be able to fix your TikTok live wallpaper not being worked. So therefore, follow the method and that should probably help you fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.